Okay, welcome back. So we're learning how to make this design here in Fusion 360. The goal of this video is to learn how to do the text that you can see on the side of the block. In the first video, we learned how to do the sketch. Second video, we took that sketch and made the extrude, and in the last video, we learned how to do the fillet and also chamfers around the edges of our design. Okay, so to start with this shape here, we're going to do the same thing that we did to create this shape here. We're going to create a sketch. So I'm going to go to my sketch menu and select create sketch. And I want to recreate this A here. So I'm going to click the same face over here and say this is what I want to be my sketch plane. So it will automatically pans to that face. And to bring up the text menu, again, we go back to the sketch menu and hit text. And then with the crosshairs, just select roughly where you want the bottom left-hand corner to be of your text, but you can change it later on. So the text menu will come up and straight away it says, what do you want to write? So I'm going to write A. Let's do that in capitals. But I could keep writing letters, words if I wanted to, but I just want the A today. Just like in other text editors, we can select bold or other options. We can change the font, but I'm going to need to change the size here. So we've got height here, and I know that this one over here is 45 millimeters high. So I'm going to type in 45 millimeters, and you can see it's about the same. It's about what we want. So I'm going to hit OK. Now it's not quite where we want to be, so I can drag it if I want, or to be more precise, we can go back to the sketch menu and hit sketch dimension, and I can go 1 click, 2 click, and 3 left click up there, and I'll just put 10 millimeters. And to do the bottom, 1 left click, 2 left click, and 3 left clicks over there. Try 10. Now remember, you can always change these dimensions, so I'm just going to go double click. I'll change that to 8 and hit, when we're happy with it, we can hit stop sketch. Okay, so there's our design there. To get the extruded or cut away feature there, just like in our second video, we can go to the create menu, extrude, select what we want to extrude. Now we can either go out as a new shape, but I want to go in, so I'm going to drag the arrow in. You can see it turns to red. And 5 millimeters in, I think, is a good amount. And there we go. That's how we create text in Fusion 360. So just an overview. That was sketch, text, and once we used the sketch dimensions to get it into the position that we want, and we used the extrude feature to emboss it into the design. In the next video, we're going to go over how to change our faces to be different colors or different appearances, as we can see there.